Hey everyone, it's Brian from Hank's Belts. Today I am going to show you our Ranger belt. Just a beautiful belt. This thing is gorgeous. This is a Western style belt. Very, very popular. They're very hard to find. You're not going to find you're not going to find these in any department stores or anywhere like that. Especially this quality here. This is let me get up here, show you a little the detail on it. It's got that Western styling with the separate cinch strap. Uses a 3/4 inch buckle. The buckle's removable. 5 holes of adjustment. This leather on this comes in, we rate it at 14 ounces. Yep, 14 comes in. Some areas of the belt, this can be all the way up to 15 ounces. A really nice beefy leather. You can see the thickness of it there. I mean, this is a solid one-piece, full grain leather. This won't crack, split, peel apart on you. We also make it in black, make it in the brown, and we make it in a black. I think the brown's a little more popular, but it's a nice rich color. If you're a classic and want just the classic black, it's hard to beat black. It goes with about anything. Use a nice detail on the Chicago screws. Yeah, the Chicago screw construction, so you can change this buckle if you want. We don't recommend it. It's really a nice buckle, the little roller buckle. So all of our belts, all USA made. This is USA steer hide in this belt and USA thread. Gorgeous belt, got our 100-year warranty on it. Will last you for decades. So head on over, take a look at the Ranger belt. If you want a really unique and nice belt that you're going to get compliments on, people will notice it. This will be a great belt for you. So thanks again for taking a look with me at the Ranger belt today, and we'll talk to you again soon.